Folks, it's Jonathan Denwood here from WP-Tonic, and in this video I'm going to be discussing how do you produce really great content for your course or courses. It's a really important subject. I've got some clear thoughts about it. I'll be back in a second, folks. I'm coming back. Like I said, I'm going to be giving some advice, some thoughts I've got about how you can produce some great content for your first course or your first membership website. And if you find this useful, please subscribe to the WP-Tonic YouTube channel. I produce tons of new content every month for the channel, specifically aimed at helping you build a great membership website. So let's go straight into it. And I think the number one rule is don't overdo it. It is not easy to make a really great course and to be able to do it straight away. There are some techniques, there is some advice I can give you that will help you with the planning and the building of your first course, that will help you in the process and get some of the results that you're looking for. So number one is don't build War and Peace. And what I mean is a lot of people, when they're building their first course, for understandable reasons, they really want to give really maximum value to their target audience. And also they feel a bit of imposter syndrome. They're not this expert educator that knows all the methodologies about building a really great course. And as a reaction to these natural feelings, to overcome it, they feel that, well, we've got to build this course and it's got to have all these lessons, got to have like 25, 30 lessons, and it's got to be at least 60 hours long. No, no, no. That's what I say to that. You want to keep your first course really simple as possible, but you really need to write out what the structure of the course is going to be and really concentrate on the end result. I know that's counterintuitive, but you really want to concentrate on the end result. And I would advise you at the beginning, in the first or second lesson, you want a result for your student, a quick victory, as I put it. And you really want a solid outcome that the majority of students are going to achieve at the end of your course, and for it to be really clear. And if you're thinking, oh, I need 12, 15, cut it in half. And it's going to be a process, because actually it's much easier to build a very long-winded course that your students are going to get frustrated with, then really narrowing it down and having this quick victory and having a solid end result. So work out your ending, look for a quick victory at the beginning and write it out, and then cut it down by 50%. And then re-look at that victory at the beginning, that solid result at the end, and you'll be on the right road. Also, there's tons of resources on this channel and on the WP-Tonic website in general that gives you advice about course construction, about resources online. There are tons of resources there on YouTube and in general that you need to study a little bit, that will give you great insights about how do you build a syllabus structure. There's a great article I've written about this that supports this particular video, and you'll find the link in the supporting video notes underneath this video. And it goes into a bit more detail about certain elements of what I've just described. I'm going to wrap it up now because I've just given you a hint and some major insights about some of the key things that you've got to understand. Plus, like I say, in the article, I go into a lot more detail about quizzes, gamification, the things that you need to know when you're doing your first course and your first building really effective content. Hopefully you found this useful. Give me a comment. Like I say, subscribe to the video. It really does help and encourage me to make more of these videos. And give us some feedback how useful you found this video. I'll be back soon. Thanks a lot. See you soon. Bye.